So dear friends, in this sessions we are going to discuss about binary operations and problems on binary operations. So what is meant by binary operation? Say a binary operation is an operation. Okay, this is an operation that combines two elements of a set. So it is going to combine two elements of a set according to a rule. So in this binary operation, we are going to combine two elements. So by, already know by is equal to what? 2. So two elements are going to combine according to a rule. So that is the binary operation. So it can also be stated as like this. See here, this is an operation. Operation is the rule. A rule which associate every two elements of the set, every element of the set to the unique element of itself is known as binary operation. Okay. So every two elements, here also we are taken two elements of the set to the unique element. So suppose, I am taking, suppose it is like a function. Suppose generally we are going to next define the formal definition. Just it is like a function like. So is functions is mapping from a cross a to a cross a to a cross a to a. So here we are going to take two elements. So by is what? 2. So we are going to combine these two elements according to a rule. According to a rule, and finally there exists some element. Some elements, suppose x, so whatever elements. So which is associated with unique element. So which is associated with unique elements itself. So suppose we are taking two elements. So it is possible when we are taking the Cartesian product of a cross a to itself. Okay, so every two elements of the set, to the unique element. So this is the formula. This is the general definitions about binary operation. What is the next we shall see about a formal definition. What is the formal definitions of a binary operation? See here, definition. The binary operation star on a set A is a function. So see here, so we are going to define like a function. The binary operation star. So we are taking symbolically star on a set A is a function. Star is mapping from A cross A to A cross A to A, which associate. So for each A comma B belongs to A cross A associated to the unique element in A. So see here, the formal definition of binary operation. The operation star on a set A is a function. So it is defined from R star. As function, star is mapping from A cross A to A. That means, so each element. Okay, so see here we are taking here each element. A comma B belongs to A cross A associated to unique element in A. So see here. Suppose that is like, suppose this is the set A cross A cross A, and this is the set A. So this is an operation. So it is taken as star. Okay, so whatever, this is like a function. Okay, when defining it is a star. Suppose here the input element A comma B. So A cross A is equal to what? It's a Cartesian product. So then consisting the ordered way. So ordered way. So each order pair A comma B which is associated some element. So suppose it is taken as A star B. So this is associated with A star B. So star is nothing but is a mathematical operation. It's an operation. Generally when it is denoted by, so generally binary operation. Generally binary operations are denoted by okay, star, addition, so multiplication, or like this. So we are going to define like this, denoted like this. Okay, so this is the binary operation. So what is the examples? Suppose we are taking some examples. It is very easy to understand the concept. Suppose set of natural number, okay, addition. So see here, addition is a binary operation on natural number. So example. So suppose I am taking addition. Okay, addition is a binary operation on natural number. How it is? So see here. So addition, we are taking addition. So therefore, so binary operation is taken as plus addition. That is n cross n into n. So this is the binary operation defined like this. Plus is addition is nothing from n cross into n. That means why it is a binary operation? So since it is a binary operation, is a binary. Since yaak is binary, so because for each A comma B belongs to n cross n. So suppose we are taking any ordered pair in n cross n, then there exists. So then there exists A star B belongs to natural number. Okay, A star B is equal to what here? A star B is equal to that is A plus B, which belongs to natural number. That means so addition of any two natural number is also a natural number. Is it clear? So therefore, so whatever the order pair we have taken in n cross n, then A plus B is also a natural number. That means so every element in the set n cross n which is associated with unique element in the natural number. Is it clear? So therefore, so addition is a binary operation on set of natural number. Okay. So one more is, so suppose multiplication. So the second one is example. So example 2. Okay. So it is taken as 1. And one more example is example 2, multiplication. Multiplication is a binary operation. Is a binary operation on natural number. Why? Because so it is taken as into multiplication symbol is mapping from n cross n to n. That means so is a binary operation. Is a binary since because for each A comma B belongs to n cross n. For each A comma B belongs to n cross n, then there exists. So it is symbolically. So it is stated as there exists. Then there exists. So A star B is equal to A into B. This also become natural number. It means multiplication between two natural number is also a natural number. So therefore, so multiplication is a binary operation. Multiplication is a binary operation on natural number. So what happens if we are taking subtraction? Suppose instead of taking addition and multiplication, what happens if we are taking subtraction? So see here. So suppose if I am taking example 3, it is taken as example 3. Okay. So verify binary or not on n. So suppose I am taking addition subtraction. So whether it is binary operation or not. So see here. So is like you define like this. So is minus is mapping from n cross n to n. So we disprove this, or we generally we are giving a one counter example for us. So what is suppose I am taking 2 comma 3 belongs to n cross n. So observe here. So but so here the it is defined as a comma b. So that is a star b is equal to what? A minus b. Okay? So binary operation is defined as a star b is equal to a minus b. So therefore, so 2 minus 3 become what? It become minus 1. Okay? So but this is not belongs to natural numbers. But according to the definition, if it is binary operation, when it is binary operation, so for each a comma b, okay, belongs to a cross a, associated to unique element in a. So but this is an element in n cross n. 2 comma 3 is an element in n cross n. So but after the binary operation a star b, that is a minus b. So then we are getting the element minus 1. But it is not belongs to h1. So therefore it is not. So therefore is not. Therefore subtraction is not binary on natural number. So it is not binary operation on natural number. Suppose if we are taking, instead of taking natural number, so you see, suppose if we take integers, so what happens? So instead of taking natural number, verify subtraction is binary or not on integer. Suppose I am taking instead of natural number integer, so definitely it is a binary operation. Why? So subtraction is mapping from I cross I to I. Okay. So a star b is given as a minus b. So for each a comma b belongs to I cross I. For each element a comma b belongs to I cross I, then there exists a star b is equal to a minus b, which is also belongs to an integer. So subtraction of 2 integer is also an integer. Okay, so therefore subtraction is a binary on what? On integer. It is taken as I or z. Okay, z. Is it clear? Suppose again if we take only the what happens if positive integers? Suppose we are taking positive integers, so then it is not binary operations. Okay, so subtraction is not binary operation. Okay, so similarly, what happens if I verify division? Division is a binary or not on natural number. So we are going to verify division is binary operation or not. So that is define division. Okay, division is the operation here is mapping from, is a function is mapping from n cross n to n cross n to n, and operation is defined as a comma b, so is equal to a by b. We are defining the operation like this, a comma b is equal to a by b. So what happens? So is not binary. Is not binary. Why it is not binary? So for example, I am taking 2 comma 3 is an element in n cross n. Yes, is it clearly 2 comma 3 is an element. Whatever the value you are taking, 2 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 7, whatever the values you are taken, which is belongs to the n cross n, but okay. So 2 star 3 is nothing but what? 2 star 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. This is not belongs to natural number. Is it clear? So this is not belongs to natural number. So therefore, this is not binary operation. So just we are giving a counter example method. So by the counter example method, we are going to verify whether it is a binary operation or not. Is it clear? So binary operation, the binary operation star on a set is a function. Clearly, it is a function. A star is running from A cross A to A. Each element A comma B belongs to A cross A associated to the unique element in A. Is it clear? So next we shall discuss some problems on this. Take first question. So first question, let star be the binary. Star be the binary on in given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B and B. LCM of A and B. Find star 7. So this question is repeatedly asking 2019 March. So 2015 and 2017. This is July and this is also in March. Okay. So see here, let star be the binary operation on A. So only here star is defined as a binary. Already declared it is a binary operation. So define like this: A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. Then find 5 star 7. Okay. So solution. Okay. So star is learning from where to where? N cross N to N. And operation is defined: A star B is equal to LCM of A and LCM of A and B. Okay, so we need to find 5 star 7. So what? 5 star 7 is the dividend. So A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. 5 star 7 is the dividend. LCM of 5 and 7. Okay, so therefore 5 star 7 is the product. LCM of 5 and 7. That means the least common factor. Okay, so that is the number which is the least number which is divisible by both 5 and 7. That is 35. Okay, 35. This is the 5 star 7. Is it clear? Right now. Let star be a binary operation on set of on I. So given by A star B is equal to A star B is equal to 2A plus B minus 3. Find the value of 3 star 4 and find the value of 3 star 4. So similar problem. Okay, so just here it is a binary operation of I. So given by A star B is equal to 2A plus B minus 3. So find the value of 3 star 4. Okay, so solution, it is defined. So star is defined from anywhere. So I cross I. So and A star B is defined what? A star B is what? 2A plus B minus 3. That means if we are going to put A star B, so operation is what? So multiply A by 2 and add 3 and subtract 3. Okay. So therefore, we need to find 3 star 4. So 3 star 4. So here A is equal to what? 3. B is equal to 4. So therefore, we just replace A is by 3 and B is by 4. That is 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 3. So therefore, 3 star 4 is equal to so this is what? 6 plus 4 minus 3. So that is the number 10 minus 3. So this is the number 7. This is 3 star 4. Okay, right down. So next problem. So this question is asked in 2016 March. 2016 March for 1 month. Okay. So like this, an operation star on Z plus is equal to positive integer. Here the binary operation defined as set of all positive integers is defined as, so A star B is equal to A minus B. For of A comma B belongs to Z plus is star is binary on Z plus. Okay, so we have verified whether it is binary operations or not on set of positive integers. So see here, solution. So star is defined is nothing from Z plus cross Z plus to what? Z plus. Okay. So and binary operation is defined like this. So A star B is equal to A minus B. So see here, is binary operation or not? So clearly it is not a binary operation. Why? So is not binary operation. Is not binary operation. Since, for example, so just we are going to give a counter example. Okay, counter example. That is, suppose, so 5 comma 7 this belongs to Z plus cross Z plus. So whatever the value, 5 cross or 5 comma 7 or 5 comma 8, okay, or 2 comma 3. So whatever the order paid. So just we are taking any one of the counter example. So 5 comma 7 is belongs to Z cross Z plus. So but 5 star 7 is the number what? 5 star 7 is the number A star B is the number A minus B. 5 star 7 is the number 5 minus 7. So this is nothing but minus 2, which is not belongs to Z plus. So this is not belongs to Z plus. So therefore this is not binary operation. Yes. Suppose if we are taking integers instead of taking positive integers, suppose if we take integers, then it is definitely binary operations. That means every elements belongs to Z plus Z cross Z is associated with unique element in Z. Okay, suppose if we are taking Z only instead of taking positive integers, suppose if we take integers, then it is binary operation. But here there is a restriction, so positive integers. So therefore, we are taking just a counter example and conclude that it is not binary operation. Okay, right now. Okay, so same problem with small changes. In the 2016 question like this. In the 2017 to 16 July. Okay. So question is an operation star on positive integer is defined as a star b is equal to mod a minus b. See, mod a minus b for all a comma b belongs to z plus e star is binary operation or not. So see here. So there is small changes in the previous example. So star operation, binary operation is defined like this: a star b is equal to a minus b. But here a star b is equal to mod a minus b. So then it is whether it is binary operation or not. So star is defined from z plus cross z to z plus a star b is equal to a minus b. A minus b. So clearly is a binary operation. Is a binary operation. Why? So by definition. So for each a comma b belongs to z plus cross z plus there exists a star b is equal to mod a minus b, which is also belongs to z plus. So clearly, so mod a minus b is again a positive number, absolute number. So therefore, it is also belongs to z plus. So therefore, star is a binary operation. Right? So next question. So define binary operation. So this question belongs to 2018 question paper. So for 2 marks. Okay. So question is like this. So define binary operation on a set and verify whether the operation star defined on Q is equal to set of a rational number. Set of a rational number defined by a star b is equal to ab plus 1 for all a comma b belongs to rational number is a binary operation. Okay. So definition. So definition. You write the definition. Already know binary operation is equal the operation star. The binary operation star is a function. Star is derived from a cross a to a. For each a comma b belongs to n cross n is associated with unique element in a. So that is the definition of binary operation. So next, come to verify whether the operation is binary. So star is defined from q cross q to q. Rational number. Okay. So operation is like this: a star b is equal to ab plus 1. Whether it is binary operation or not. Okay. So clearly, rational number. So we are going to multiply two rational number and add 1. Okay. So that is, so clearly, star is a binary. Star is a binary operation. Why? Because for each a comma b belongs to q cross q. So then there exists okay, so then there exists a star b is equal to ab plus 1, which is belongs to q. Okay, so by definition only we are going to define it is a binary operation. So you take any ordered pair in q cross q and operate star like this: a star b is equal to ab plus 1. So that is also a rational number. That means multiply any two rational number and add plus 1. Operation like this: multiply the given two rational number and add plus 1. So definitely that is also a rational number. So therefore, it is a binary operation. Okay, right? So take this as homework. Okay, so try to do at home. So let's solve the binary operations on n. So given by a star b is the LCM of a and b. Find a 20 star 16. So this question is asked in 2017 March for 1 mark questions. So already we are discussing the same problem. Okay, so just here we want to find 20 star 16. In the previous problem we are find 5 star 7. So but here 20 star 16. Same problem. Okay. So next second problem. So determine whether or not each of the following star given below is binary or not. So just verify whether the star defined below are binary or not. So first one is on Z plus. So here binary operation defined on Z plus. Star is defined by A star B is equal to A to the power of V. A star B is equal to A to the power of V. Verify whether it is binary or not. So second one is on R. So binary operation defined on R. Okay, real number. So star is defined by A star B is equal to A square. A into B square. A into B square. So whether it is binary or not. So similarly on Z plus. So star is defined by A star B is equal to A. A star B is equal to A. So whether it is binary or not. Okay. So try to do these problems as homework. In the next sessions we are going to discuss types of binary operation and problem solving. Okay. Thank you.